Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. My name is Firmansyach, and today I will be the moderator in our group presentation. So, in our presentation, we will discuss about function types and understanding about software. So, the next slide, we have a list of member of group. Here we have Anggi Setiyawan, Firmansyach, myself, Faris Ananto, Rony Sutrisno, and Erri Tri Armawan. The next slide we have meaning of what is software. So software is a part of computer consisting of several commands where the operation is done through a computer machine. In other words, software is a device that has no physical form. Further explanation, understanding software is software containing data that is programmed or stored with certain function. The next slide will be read by Anggi Setiyawan.
Type of software according to distribution. Number 1, firmware. Firmware is software that can only be read. Users have low-level control over firmware. Firmware generally resides in as application software and operating system as a connection point between the application and the hardware. Number 2, freeware. Freeware is a type of application that is provided free of charge by the developer. This means that the user does not need to make a special purchase to use the software. However, freeware generally has limited features. Number 3, hardware. Hardware is non-paid software that can be used for free. However, it provides compensation in the form of advertisement that others appear when used. Hardware is advertisement that often commonly found in application software used in the Android operating system. An example of an hardware application is game scanner.
Open source is a type of software. Not only is the free but open source software also has open access to its programming source code. Open source software is developed by many developers. Each developer is able to process, change, and distribute the software. One of the goals of developing open source software is to provide the best software with all the features that meet the needs of many users. Not only that, its free access can also be used by users without certain conditions that make it difficult to use. Open source software has a great possibility to continue to develop according to the wish of its user. Next, types of software based on their function. Operating system is software. The functions to control components contained in a computer machine. Example of an operating system: Windows, Linux, iTunes.
2. Application software. It is a program written in a specific programming language to be applied to a specific file. Example of application programs that are often used are: A. Microsoft Office, B. Adobe Photoshop, C. Visual Code Studio, etc. Number C, utility software. It is a program to help the operating system. Here is an example of a utility program. Avast antivirus is on the of the many security manufacturers that we can't really on the protect our PC again a virus that such as malware, spyware, adware, trojan, and so on. Number 4, malware. Malware is a computer program that was created with the main purpose of finding software weakness. Generally, malware is created to break into or damage a software or operating system. This is a program that has the ability to duplicate itself, manipulate data, infect and change and damage other program. This variant is often found and often disrupts computer user.
The next, programmer. A programmer is a person in charge of developing software of application. When creating a program, there is a flowchart that must be considered and then translated into computer language using certain codes so that it becomes a command to the computer to carry out certain tasks. Programming language. A programming language is a way of programmer or developer to communicate with computer. Programming language consists of a set of rules that allow string value to be converted into various ways of generating machine code, or in the case of visual programming language, and graphical element.
So that's the presentation material that we bring. I hope you all can understand and can be useful for your daily life. Thank you.